morning, everyone. In today's video we're going to do a quick and easy breakfast porridge. We're going to be doing some oats porridge. We're going to be using the instant one. If you have the old-fashioned oats, you can go right ahead and use it. We're going to add a variety of different spices. Stay tuned, let me show you how I do mine. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like the video, and subscribe to our channel. After adding our salt to 2.5 cups of water, we're going to go in with our bay leaf and cinnamon leaves. You can allow the flavors of that to bring out before we add the coconut milk, right? I'm starting with 1.3 cups of oats. Also adding in our milk. Guys, if you don't have the cinnamon leaves, you can always use the powder or the cinnamon stick. As long as you get those flavors in the water, right? We're just going to allow that to cook. Oats porridge is one of those porridge that is so easy to make. It has a ton of health benefits, guys. If you're a diabetic, it helps to reduce the sugar levels. You can just flavor it up with the spices I'm going to use, and you can add a sweetener like stevia or agave, or you can even have it just as is. It also helps with cholesterol levels as well, and guys, it is very filling. So if you have a oatmeal for breakfast, very filling. You don't really need anything until maybe a snack like an apple or some pineapples, and you can wait until lunch. It's very filling. This is my go-to breakfast. Very easy to make. No whole heap of time. You just put it in the pot with some spice and that's it. You have a healthy breakfast, right? We're going to go ahead now and we're going to add in our spice. We're going to add some mixed spice. Going in with our nutmeg. Excellent flavor, this one, I'm telling you. Nutmeg bring up the flavor of anything that is boring and you add nutmeg, gives it life, I'm telling you. We're also going to go in with our vanilla. And oats porridge, you have it to the consistency that you like. I really don't like it too thick. No, me not like it, so I still like it with little, runniness to it. Because when you turn off the fire, if you don't eat it immediately, it will sleep up. Us Jamaicans say sleep up. That means it get thick up. I don't like it that way. Right? We're going to add some almond essence, just a little bit. And our sweetener, we're going to use some sugar. You sweeten to taste, alright? I don't like it too sweet, so I'm using maybe 1/2 cup or a little less than 1/2 cup. And that's it, guys. Nice, healthy breakfast to have in the morning with some fruits. Very easy, not even 10 minutes. Give that 2 minutes for the flavors to come together, and then we share it out, right? Alright guys, let us serve up some nice oatmeal porridge. And remember that gluten-free bread we made. If you missed it, I can leave a link for you to see it. We're going to have it with a slice of that gluten-free bread, man. Yes, man. Very nice and filling. I promise you, you don't need anything after this to eat until maybe lunchtime. Alright guys, so if oats porridge not enough for you, I'm giving you a slice of my zucchini gluten-free bread. I will leave a link in the description box if you want to know how to make this. Very nice, healthy. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, bye.